Hello friends. So today we are going to discuss one interview question that about log shipping failover or reverse log shipping basically. So what are the steps? What are the prerequisites? Okay. So we see all the best practices while implementing log shipping. Okay. So let's start. First, we need to check all the services of the primary and secondary nodes should be run on same or the user account which has permission to read write in domain or network. Okay, basically we are keeping this on default because I will show you the error. Okay, but basically it's a local, but yeah, let's see. So first we will just initiate the backup and restore first. Let's see, just go to the restore. Okay, or we can just do one thing, we can just attach a small database from disk. So here's the MDF file. Let's see about the simple one demo. Okay, so see it is throwing that error, we don't have access to read this file or permission. Okay, so this is this type of error you will face because this is a fresh system and we have not provided read write permission to that user. Okay, so it unable to read this file. Okay, so go to the folder and then we can see, this is the folder. No, this one, this is the folder. We have mdf ldf files. Okay, so just right click and go to the properties, then go to the sharing and security is fine, go to the security, allow all, and okay. And next about this, here open, yes, let's see the permission, yes, everyone. Okay, else we can just add the new user service account. Okay, let's see again. So it is unable to open this file. See, same error. So just we are going to do one thing, just we are going to change the service account to the local account. Okay, integrated desktop, and this is also because we are going to implement log shipping, so both use permission to read the write the data files and all. And then agent 2, because agent, in you know that in log shipping we have an agent that will work to backup, copy and restore the backup files, so that is required. Okay, let's restart the services, let's try again, else we can provide the local account, different user account here. Okay, so basically this is about the permissions and all. Okay, so according to error you have to just perform and you have to just pass the authentication and all. Restart, sorry. Now let's try again and see the error. Cancel this, management studio, attach, we are going to attach first. Okay, then we can try the backup and restore demo. See, still we have a same problem, means the service account we have provided, that is unable to open this folder. Okay, C drive, this. Okay, so here we are going to just, let's see, restore. Okay, we'll get the same error while restoring because we have to just write data files and all. So just try read the backup file first. We have one folder here. In that we have kept all these backup files. So this is 17. So this is able to read this file here. Now where you need to keep this file, so just relocate and restore as. I'm going to just show you that error. Okay, let's see here the mdf file. Okay, that is adv.mdf, and here basically the best practice we are not keeping on default, so that's why now the ldf, so adv.ldf. Okay, see, we have successfully restored AdventureWorks 17. Okay, now for log shipping, database should be in full recovery because we are going to ship a log, so database should be in full recovery, and we have to perform full log and differential backup. Okay, so let's see, just perform a full backup and remove this, copy this, and just go to this folder. Okay, adv17.bak. Okay, why we are taking the backup? Because we have to initialize secondary one, or okay, sorry, or we just perform one full backup first. Okay, now we are going to add secondary database here. Okay, see here no databases. Okay, so just we have to follow that fullest process step, that right click on database, go to the properties, and then go to the log shipping. Okay, then we have to just provide the path here, the local path and the shared path. Come to the point and back up. This is a path where we are going to keep this is a local path. Okay, and then we require a full path, so full path in the sense the folder shared shared path, this one, sharing path, this one. Okay, so here we have to provide this backup. Okay, retention period, this is for test, so keep on 24. Schedule backup every 15 or 5, we can say that, not more than that. Okay, this is about the job schedule and all. If you are going to use compress, then you can enable the compress. Okay, now need to add the secondary database server, so this one. So there are three options: secondary, generate full backup, and restore. Okay, does not exist. Restore existing backup from primary to secondary, create secondary databases, it does not exist, but we have to just provide the backup path and all, and no secondary is initialized. Okay, so we are going for this, we have not backup, so just we have to provide that path where need to keep data file and log file on the secondary server. Okay, so this is the path where we are going to keep. Okay, and now the backup file where you are going to copy that. So just provide the location here, just outside this. Here you can copy this backup file from primary to secondary, schedule every, sorry, 24 hours, schedule every 5, but we will change here about 1 second, sorry, 1 minute, sorry, 59 second, 00, because we are going to copy this is small data, and there is two options to restore, with no recovery or standby. So in a standby you are able to read the data. Okay, so that's why I'm going to keep here this schedule for the restore, keep after 1 minute because it will take time to copy and all. Okay, 05. So this is about the scheduling and all. So now we can implement this log shipping. Let's see. So we are getting an error because backup is not restored. And roll back. Okay, so maybe see, unable to write this file. Okay, access denied. So this is happening due to the permission or due to the this service account. Okay, so let's see, go to the folder and we can go and provide the permission, security, and then yeah, you have to add everyone here. Okay, edit, add everyone. Okay, and have, see, full rights, apply. Okay, so now we will close this and rerun again. Okay, go to the properties, then log shipping, and then we have to provide all the directory path and all. So this is for secondary, I think so. No, first one. So here we can provide both the same, no doubt. That is our principal or active primary server, 24 hours retention, and 5 minutes backup schedule. Okay, compress, add secondaries, no doubt, backup and restore. So we have to keep here all the files, data and log files. Okay, it's fine. Now about the copy backup from that secondary server. Okay, so it is done from primary to secondary. Okay, so back, and we are keeping that backup file here. Okay, this is local for the secondary, so we are not passing the network path. Backup threshold, copy, sorry, copy, yeah, and every 5 minutes. A little bit change here because it will take time to backup and then copy. And we are going to keep a standby. Alert this 5. Let's see. Okay, because it will take time to copy and restore. So we have not miss anything, done everything. So hit OK. Uh-oh. Still we have operating system error. So this folder we don't have permission, it is saying that. Okay. Okay, so permission is provided to a subdirectory subfolder. It will restoring. Okay, successfully done. Yes. Now just go and refresh the database. See here. See. Okay, so it is implemented. You can see the reports here. Log shipping status. Okay, see. Copy 0 because of it not happen. Okay, copy and restore not happened here. And here you can also see the reports of log shipping. Okay, okay. Now this is done. Okay, now the challenge is that how can you failover do failover and reverse log shipping. Okay, the new question in the market. Okay, so how do reverse log shipping? Okay, log shipping roles. So a step is that you just disable the jobs on primary and secondary, that is full backup and copy and restore jobs, and then you have to just perform tail log backup on primary with no recovery. Okay, so this is the way for reverse. Okay, or we can just do a failover. So let's see this is working or not. Okay, so wait for a couple of minutes. Basically we will see that all that we can see that the logs restore and all after 5 minutes. See, in the read only mode you can just read the tables. Okay, so because basically you can use for reporting purpose. See, okay, so when you are saying just committing anyone, just say that about if you're going to distribute your load and all, we can just remove this. So let's wait for 5 minutes, just restore some couple of copies and all, or we can just do one thing, we can just create couple of tables here. Okay, for see that replicated or not. So let's create table. I think yeah, you can do from GUI or command line also. Data type char. Okay, phone number, you can say that number, or you can fix the length. Okay, or int, we can say that, so just keep int and save this table name contact. Okay, now you can see here after that jobs and all. So see there we have already here a backup job here, so you can just perform. This is a lot about this, you can just run manually for the backup. Done. And then you can do here a copy and restore. So on secondary you get a copy sorry, sorry, copy, and then you can perform the restore. This is a manual activity, but doing manually, but it will done automatically after as per schedule. Basically we can say that. Okay, so you can see here the backup time, see here, okay, the LSN and all, see the LSN, okay. So this will help you in troubleshooting if you are able to see it is not restored. Why? So let's see this, the data is copied or not. So, so this is a transactional log backup here, two log backups at the same time, I think so. So it is confusing, we have to just restore this one, I think so. 512, okay. And you can also see here basically ta, 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 1 and 2 at the same time. So just here we have to just calculate, we have a 12. So just we need to restore here. I think someone is running, so you can see the contact is not created here. Mhm, mhm. Tarara. Cancel this one and refresh this. Any copy status? Yes. Let's see the copy status. Yeah, it is copied 12 but not restored 12. Okay. So rerun once again. If there is a mismatch of LSN, it will not restore. Okay. So due to some happening, that is you are performing the backup and all, and then so it is taking time, means it will throw an error. Yes. Okay. So we can do one thing. We can check the status, the which last log backup is restored. Okay. So go to that database in MSDB tables, then system tables, and then we have a log shipping. Okay. This is a secondaries, primary secondaries. Sorry. Okay. So this is database name. This is about the copy and all. So last copied. See, this is showing 12. Okay. So now it is confusing. Why this one? So we can just go and we can restore transactional log from this. Mhm. 12, and then we set option here or with a standby. Okay. See the exact error. One which is too recent, apply the earlier log backup is 1. So where is that one? We have or not? So we can see here the error is no. Here is about the log backup set begin with this lesson which is too recent. The earlier log backup include this can be restored. So 4 times 0 and 1. Let's see, we have this backup or not. So we don't have. So this is happened due to our manual activity. Okay, so we don't have this. So we can just try to rebuild with full backup and all, and then we can restore. So this is totally about your log shipping on the LSN and all. Okay, so this is a troubleshooting part, and the next part is that you have to just restore the full backup and then reinitialize the log shipping. So thank you for watching. We will come with that next video with the reverse log shipping. Okay, thank you.